Hey everyone, welcome back to the Gentle Manual. Today we're going to talk about 5 easy and effective habits that will change your life forever. These habits have the potential to transform your life in many ways, from your health and well-being to your personal and professional growth. So, let's dive right in. Start your day with a morning routine. This can be as simple as waking up at the same time every day and drinking a glass of water. A morning routine sets the tone for the rest of your day and can help you feel more energized, focused, and productive. Practice gratitude. Take a few minutes every day to reflect on what you're grateful for. This can be anything from your family and friends to the roof over your head and the food on your table. Gratitude can help you develop a more positive mindset and appreciate the good things in your life. Exercise regularly. Exercise not only benefits your physical health but also your mental and emotional well-being. It can help reduce stress, improve your mood, and boost your energy levels. Find a type of exercise that you enjoy, whether it's yoga, running, or dancing, and make it a regular part of your routine. Read every day. Reading can help you expand your knowledge, improve your vocabulary, and reduce stress. Set aside 10 to 15 minutes every day to read a book, article, or blog post on a topic that interests you. Connect with others. Whether it's spending time with your family, meeting up with friends, or volunteering in your community, connecting with others can help improve your social support, boost your mood, and enhance your sense of purpose. So, there you have it, 5 easy and effective habits that can change your life forever. Start small, focus on one habit at a time, and be consistent. With time and practice, these habits can become part of your daily routine and help you achieve your goals and live a happier, healthier, and more fulfilling life. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.